Hi, this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use this new embed invitation feature if you're using Facebook groups and you want to be able to grow your members all the time and have a way really easy in a couple of different places where people can then join your group. So this has been around for a couple of months. It may be longer for some. Some people may not have it yet because Facebook rolls things out gradually. But if you have a public or a closed group, then you should see this embed invitation. So if you don't have it yet, hopefully you'll get it soon. And this is a great way to be able to grow your group. So I add this to a couple of places. I add this it's basically a widget which gives you a visual for people to be able to join your group. So I add it to my email autoresponder and also to my website, and I'll show you how to do both of those things in a second. So say if you have a public or a closed group, you'll have it. If your group is secret, then you won't have this option because a secret group means it's not searchable in the search in Facebook and only members can actually get access to that group at all. So it doesn't show up for that. But if you have a closed group, then you'll have this. So if you just click on that piece of text, you'll get this code. Now you don't have to worry about what's in this code. You don't have to change anything or understand it. All you need to do is just copy the code snippet, and it says here, and then you can paste it where you'd like it to appear within your email. So people who receive your email will then see a visual invitation where you paste the code. So literally just click inside that box and it automatically highlights everything. So then just copy that text. So do Control-C, right-click, copy, however you like to do that. And then I'm going to show you, first of all, in my email. So this is, I use GetResponse for my autoresponder. You should be able to use this for any autoresponder software that you use, whether it's Aweber or MailChimp or Infusionsoft or whatever you use. So I'm just going to create a test, just a blank email just to show you. So I'm just going to call this test, and then I'm going to find, so I just have a template that I use for all of my emails. Oh, that's not the one I want. My templates. And then here's a blank one. Here's one I made earlier. Okay, so I always kind of tend to have this now at the bottom of all of my emails. It's in a PS section. So I have this piece of text that just kind of, invites people and let them know why they want to join it. I also do have a link in there as well. But then I want to add this visual widget underneath that text. So in GetResponse at the bottom, you'll see this HTML editor. So I click on that, and you want to write your email first and then add this in at the end. So I just kind of go to somewhere near the bottom where there's a blank line and I paste that code. So you can see now it's added in this copy. Now I can turn on this little visual so I can see what it looks like. So here is what it looks like. So it pulls in your cover photo, your title, how many members you've got, and then it has this nice blue button that says join group. So this is great. So if anybody then clicks on that, it's going to take you to your group and then they can request to join. So if it's a closed group, you might want to use the questions, which I'll do a separate video on the questions, but if you haven't used that before and not quite sure what you can do with that, to kind of qualify people that come into your group, however you choose to have people join your group. But this is what they'll see. They literally just click on it and it takes them to your group so then they can join. So if I then I don't need to do anything else. I can then just hit the hide editor, and now you can see it's created this nice little visual there. So this is just what I do. Then you can obviously finish your email and then send that to your list, whatever you want to do. So that's one way that I use it, is in the bottom of my emails. You might want to create a whole email that is just for that, entirely up to you. So the other place that I use it is then on my website. So on my blog, I have in this sidebar, I have then created again the exact same thing. So I've just got this join my mastermind group there. And then again, I pasted in that piece of code, which I'll just show you very quickly how to do. And again, I've got this visual. So again, anybody can just click on that button and it takes them to my group. So it's super easy for people to do. It makes it so easy for people to join your group. So depending on what you use, I use WordPress and I use Thrive themes. So if I come over to my blog, I'm then going to go to appearance and then widgets. So then in my main sidebar, which is here, you can see I've got this custom HTML. So if you're using WordPress or something similar, just find this custom HTML, drag it over to where you want. And then again, you can give it a title. So say I've actually given a call to action that says join my group. And then where you have this content, again, just paste that code like that, hit save. And then that's all you need to do. Once that's done, obviously, you know, here's one that I did. I've just got that title, there's the code, and then you just hit save. And that's all you need to do. So it's really, really simple. So you can obviously add this widget wherever you want. Those are just two of the main places that I use it currently. So it's really, really easy. So go and have fun with it. Go and get your little widget embedded on places so you can grow your group, you know, to always have new people joining your group to be able to build that community of people. So I hope you found this tutorial useful, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks, bye.